Do you want me to stop and start over, or
No,
just keep
just
going?
go ahead and you can just go.
All right, I'm gonna cue you now. Ready, John?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Ready?
3, 2.
So the first thing we do with our meat sauce is we put enough to go on the bottom of the
Not
pan.
a noodle first?
No, because this keeps them from sticking on the bottom.
Oh.
And then you put your noodles, and whoever came up with these parboiled
Do you think
lasagna
it's
sheets.
cheating though that you are using those?
No, because first of all, I'm not going to make my own lasagna noodle. Second, the idea of just boiling those really big, thick ones is kind of disgusting.
But do you think
So then you
Rick
paint it, see?
Tramonto would approve
Rick,
of
I
that?
called Rick today. He did not pick up, but I left a voicemail telling him to call me back if he had any issues with what I was doing or if his mother had issues. Now, this cookbook's like 15 years old, so I hope his mother is still with us and doing very well. But if not, she left him an incredible recipe that we are going to steal from. So,
So the
now what you do,
ricotta's
yep,
down.
and then you take some
Cheese.
Parmesan Reggiano cheese. Now, I love mozzarella, which I'll do as well. And then,
More meat. What's in that exactly?
all right, so this is a mixture of hamburger and sweet sausage. It also has plum tomatoes, and it has white wine, and it has fennel seeds, and it has some red pepper flakes, and it has oregano and basil.
Did you make it?
I made it exactly the way Rick's mom made it for him. And then the last thing when we finish here is I will put these layers on and I'll do the
Is
whole
it
thing over.
cheating?
It's not cheating. Rick, call me if it's cheating. Now we're done. Boom.
What goes on top though?
Once again,
Oh, I'll cut it. Cheese. Fine. Every kind of cheese.
well, this is ricotta, homemade. Homemade.
Not really.
I did. I milked my own cow. Look,
You know what? Bruce can make that ricotta.
and by the way, I'm going to make ricotta based on the cheese we were served that was homemade in Sicily,
At Planeta.
and at Planeta, and I'm going to share that in the wine tasting. And that
Don't
was
do that though. Don't make the ricotta until I'm off my 2 months of cleanses. Please.
Yes. Instead, I'll just keep making a bunch of
Make
food
stuff I don't even care about.
you don't even care about.